treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Toyota RAV4. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like all-wheel drive, one-touch window functionality, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a roof rack, and seat memory. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.